Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to make a graph on Excel. So this is my sheet right here, right? And I'm going to just hit F right here so I can, make a line or statistics for this year, for example, right? And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and click insert at the top and then click the line kind of icon right here to see it is a line or insert a line or live chart. So you're gonna see a pop-up window. Click the first line right here, and as you can see, this is my line and everything. Click the right mouse and you're gonna select data, right? And basically you can click right here, add right here, and basically you're gonna add the name of that of that data. And basically I'm gonna type profits in millions like in the column, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and select the whole column right here on my spreadsheet, basically all the numbers basically. And what I'm going to do, you're going to be able right here to see like a number appearing in front of you. Click OK, and basically what I'm going to do, you're going to see right here you're going to see this is your line in number 1, number 2, and everything. Basically if you want to add access labels or whatever, just go ahead right here and add the labels, right, which is the year. Basically I'm gonna choose the all years, right, and just hit OK, and basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.